Hey everybody, time for another product review. So today I'm looking at another product from Camplux. It's a tankless hot water heater, anytime, anywhere they say. Fully portable, instant, endless, easy control, on-off shower head. You can see how it's sort of supposed to be hooked up. Starts 3 pounds pressure, startup, 2800 BTUs per hour, uses a regular, like a barbecue type gas bottle, any water source. So we're going to try it on a hose, and let me open this up and we'll take a look at what's in there. There's a couple of things I think when I looked at the book that are unique. I haven't seen them in other units. So let me just get it out of the box. Okay, this is unboxed. It came with the gas line already attached to it, which is nice. This is a battery compartment. I need to grab a couple of D-size batteries. That's what ignites it. The shower head and the hose just screws in. It's got a snap connector to connect it to it, and 2 different fittings. They're identical, but these would be used for attaching the shower head to it, so it'd screw onto there to the water outlet. Water inlet. If you were using this in a permanent installation, you may use PEX and an adapters kind of thing. In its hardware kit, it comes with adapters for garden hose for either if you got the female end of the garden hose, like if you're using a washer hose or the washing machine hose, it has female on both ends. They also have one that's for a regular garden hose, which is what I'm going to use, which is just a it's got the female here, and there's the O-rings are in there, everything you need. This came with a shower head with a couple of different O-rings to go inside of the connectors. And so let me get this all hooked up. I'll go grab some batteries and we'll hook it up to the hose and see how it works. Well, let me just show you how easy this, I just threaded on. It's got an adapter, so for this size to fit here, this actually looks like could be garden hose, but with the quick connect, just pull back on it, slide it on, connects right up. It's super easy. Probably the easiest hookup to one of these I've had. Okay, so it's hooked up with the gas. It's minimum, maximum. I'm going to turn the water to maximum and the gas to maximum, and we'll fire this up. As you can see, it's not meant to be vented, although I believe they make an adapter. You can get a sheet metal adapter to adapt this to a vent if you wanted to. It's basically made for use outdoors. So let's see, turn the water on. That's on full water. It's really cranking. There is a thing on the side where you can change it to just a spray, or you can get a nice solid stream. Let's see if I can balance you here. Get out my infrared thermometer, and appears to be about 90-degree water coming out, which is warm. Now if I turn this to minimum water and maximum, it ends up being 136-degree water, and that'll scald you. It's throwing some steam. I got a clip of that, and we can put in there. But So that's the unit, and there is a piece so you can hang this up, mount it on the wall or wherever. So my impressions on this, it's a nice little unit. It does what it says. It does heat up water. It does come with those cool adapters and easy to hook up the hose for the sprayer, and comes the adapters to be able to hook it up to a garden hose, which is sort of nice. This is the only unit I've seen that has that. It does, like I said, it does what it says it does. It's gonna heat up the water, and you can mess with these dials to find minimum, you know, I would guess have it heating as hot, and then you can adjust this, less water, gonna have less coming through, but it's going to increase the temperature. Okay, or you could go maximum or minimum, you know, you can play with the gas, but I would just play with this, with the water, to find that sweet spot. It's nice that this comes with the shower head. You can turn on and off. Those are a little hard to find sometimes. The only thing I don't really like about it is that there's no temperature readout. It'd be nice to be able to tell what temperature the water was that it's coming out of it. The one I have with different brand and older model does have that little readout, little digital readout. That's the only thing I can say bad about this. So overall, I would give this a 10. 10 out of 10. You know, 9.9 because it doesn't have that readout, but really, in the scheme of things, that's sort of a luxury. So there you go. If I didn't already have a tankless hot water heater, or I wanted to set up an outdoor shower, which I might be in the future, I may get one of these. Current price here, the beginning of June, is on Amazon is $159, which is not a bad price for these. There you go. That's my real quick little review of this Camplux Tankless Hot Water Heater.